So just remember that. So if you see some biting or like or even growling, doesn't mean anything.
He's always smelling.
Smelly. He's a smeller. Jackie.
And they sniff each other's butts. That's how they greet each other. It's normal.
Ew.
So who's... No, it's alright. You don't have to...
Bite. Bite.
No, I don't know if it's a fight. Yeah. What is your name?
Eli.
Okay, just listen to what it says.
Oh, hey, look, Jackie's peeping! Jackie's peeping!
Oh, man, good girl!
Look how she's jumping.
Whoa!
Oh, my goodness.
So what I was saying about Rex earlier is that, so remember when the black dog, Bella, was growling at Rex, and Rex stopped? You could reward that because it just means he listened to her communication.
Okay.
She said stop. She stopped.
Somebody's smelling the
Good
feet.
dog.
Okay.
Because that's what will prevent fights
Oh, okay.
if they're older or right now.
What's going on there?
Does that make sense?
That does.
Jackie, that was so good.
Hello.
Why can't I do that at my house? I had to put out one.
Yeah.
And did she use it?
Yeah, of course I checked the carpeting better. Well, she's visiting my house, and as soon as she gets the carpeting, pee. That was so great. So maybe if you have no carpeting, but you have a choice of the wee-wee pet.
Stop it, Jackie. Stop it, Jackie. Jackie.
Okay.
You're such a good aunt.
Oh, now she's getting in trouble. Good. Punish her.
What'd she do?
I don't know, but she deserved it, I'm sure.
Whoa.
This is point.
Oh.
See, when he takes it to a dog, he runs. It's too big.
Look at this. Bella.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you fight back. Good for you, little guy.
We're
Oh,
also
yeah. You.
Oh.
Yeah, just like Jackie
What's
in
happening
space.
over there?
I'll let him stop.
Oh, yeah.
Jackie, get away.
they have to print it out.
This is only for here.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
So I would invite you to come when there's like one other dog or two other dogs. Now
But
when
how
there's
do you
five
know?
other dogs.
What if there's always more dogs?
And it's good. It's good for her. It's just this might be a bit overwhelming. But I highly recommend
Whoa.
so she could get
Rex?
What?